his way through to ninth place. But out of the final turn and onto the home stretch. This is it now, last lap. And out on the tiny island of Jamaica. So many people are going to be watching this boy bring it home. The Mercedes F1 Junior. He's had a whirlwind as a young karter. The youngest man ever to be taken into an F1 program, even younger than Lewis Hamilton was. He's here in the Mercedes F1 Junior team. He looks over his shoulder for the first time. The Kart Republic Motorsport man can cruise it in the final lap. This is a big deal for Jamaica, for the entire Caribbean, for North America, and for the young man, Alex Powell, under the tutelage of the multiple world champion, Mike Wilson. This is a historic moment. He's only got a couple of corners to go, and the hearts will plunge to the boots of everyone who's been vanquished by the Jamaican sensation. Alex Powell wins in Kristianstad. It's Jamaica all the way.
Be sure to like, subscribe, share, and drop a wall go in the comment section when you subscribe. Also, don't forget to visit us at allsportsjamaica.com and follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook.